Palestinian human rights organisations, along with international legal groups, have already said openly that the law amounts to racial discrimination codified in punishment. It creates a death penalty regime for Palestinians alone. It sits on top of a judicial system in which Palestinians are tried in military courts and Jewish settlers are not. It joins existing patterns where Palestinian life is treated as a lesser category, where detention conditions are harsher, where fatalities in custody are rising sharply, again under Ben-Gvir's watch, and a prison guard this year described rampant abuse inside facilities holding Palestinian detainees. In that climate, a death penalty bill aimed at Palestinians is not just controversial, it is a live piece of evidence in the argument that Israel is operating an apartheid system. Ben-Gvir is not just trying to change sentencing law, he's widening a legal divide that already controls who lives under which rules. And while he does this, detainees keep dying. The pattern of Palestinian deaths in custody this year is well documented, with testimonies from within the prison service describing lethal abuse, medical neglect, and conditions that amount to torture. So when Ben-Gvir pushes a law that formalizes execution for Palestinians within 90 days, he's not acting in a vacuum, he's acting in a system where Palestinians are already dying under state control. And the medical profession sees that. They understand what it would mean to put their signature on a death certificate in this political moment. They understand what it would mean to medically legitimize a discriminatory killing regime. And that's why they're refusing so forcefully. The Knesset can pass its bill. Ben-Gvir can pin as many nooses to his person as he likes. His allies can talk about hanging and injections and electricity, whatever plays best for the cameras. But the moment the state needs real people to carry out an execution, the entire facade will collapse. Because there's no team, there's no procedure, there's no medical cooperation. There is no pathway to force the doctors to comply without blowing up the entire Israeli health system and starting a war with a professional body the state cannot do without. The bill is dead. And the people who killed it were not the opposition, they were not the diplomats, they were not international courts, not activists, it was the doctors.